Happy New Year, guys. As y'all can see, man, it's been fun while it lasted, man. Back in 2018, when it jumped on this 2019, man. Like I say, she was well taken care of, man. You know what I'm saying? Well taken care of, man. Like I say, when you look in here, plastic still down on there. The carpet's never been stepped on. You know what I'm saying? When you look in the back, look at the carpets. Still got the plastic on it since 2018. That's the 2019, you know what I'm saying? It's been well taken care of, man. It was fun while it lasted, man. Like I say, nice truck, man. Ram 1500. Fun while it lasted, man. As y'all can see, again, it's fun while it lasted, man. 2019. But yeah, man, it's 2022, man. 2022. 2022. All right, thanks a lot, man. You be safe out there. I appreciate it. Thanks again. Yeah. So yeah, man. Like I say, man. No 2019. Bighorn. 2500. Heavy duty Laramie, man. Oh yeah. Told me to come back out, you know what I'm saying, man? Put your running boards on there, you know what I'm saying? Your wife too, she can't get up in there. Can't get up in there. Fifth wheel package. Like, what is that back here, man? Spray and liner, fifth wheel package, man, for a camper, man. Yeah. Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I sight diesel. But diesel, like, nah, I ain't gonna do the diesel, man. But yeah, it's fun while it lasted, man. But so here we are, man. I'm going to get her home, man. And again, man, say goodbye to that 2019, man. It was fun, man. That's the little brother right there, man. They go the father. Little brother, you know what I'm saying? A big brother, you know what I'm saying? They go the father, cuz. All right, that's my time, man. Happy holidays, man. Happy New Year's. Y'all be safe out here, man. That's my time. Yes, sir. See, that's what happens when you put a pretty truck like that to work, man. You know, you spend your money and you know, it's a nice Range Rover right there, you know, and you got a 2500 right here. And that's what happens, you know. Just can't ride around for style, man, you know. Back when I was younger, you know, I thought having a Trek, you know, was to stunt, you know. But I realized, man, you got to put those things to work, man. You got to put those trucks to work, man. And that's my man's truck, you know. I love my truck. Oh yeah. Please don't dent my truck. Oh. Nah, I'm just messing with you guys. So I'm basically on my second or third load, you know. And that's right, that's how it works, man. Those Southern boys, you gotta work those trucks, man. You know, look pretty at the same damn time, you know. Same damn time, you know. At the same damn time. At the same damn time. You know, make me want to jump in the mosh pit. Mosh pit. Speaking of mosh pit, we'll be grilling next week right here, guys. Stop by and see us. All right, guys, that's my time, man. Over and out, man. We got the Laramie, not the Bighorn. We yo, 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 whoa, 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 yo, 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 wait, 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 wait. Oh, go ahead, go ahead. I was gonna put the tarp. I'm sorry, I was gonna put the tarp down. It's up under the rock now. You think I'll be able to pull it out? Let me try. What's going on, guys? It's Friday. We're finna do it again, man. Oh yeah, nice and shiny, man. Look at that. Ooh, a man's truck. This is what you call a man's truck. Oh, I got something dripping from it. It's all good. My man's truck. I like that. All right. Anyway, keep you guys updated.
I heard an F.
Hi guys. Hey, let me correct that. Not Friday, Saturday. Woo-hoo. I'm riding in my man's truck, singing my country song. I'm from the country, man, the east side of Stonecrest, Georgia. I'm driving in my man's truck. Y'all be on the lookout of my new hit single, My Man's Truck. Oh no, not stay out of the grass. I'm backing up, leaving the house. It's fall here live in Stonecrest, Georgia, man. Right now I'm going to play in my backyard. I'm gonna surprise my daughter. Are you ready for the surprise, baby?
Yeah.
All right. She's ready for the surprise. Why is my wife back there sitting with you?
Because I asked her.
Oh, okay. Well, she's a special wife. She's a special mother. She decided to sit back there with you instead of riding shotgun in my man's truck. Oh! Hey, keep y'all updated. Yes, sir. Later. All right, guys, that'll do it. At the landfill. Yeah. That'll do it. All right. It's all good. Yeah, man, we just out here with a little side hustle, man. Sometimes it ain't even worth it. Sometimes it ain't even worth it, y'all. But I figure, hell, versus trying to throw it away waiting for the garbage people to get it, go 10 minutes down the street, strap it at the strap metal place, and at least get some, you know what I'm saying? So it worked out, but you know, you run a bigger risk in all of this mess y'all see out here. Look at all of this mess, man. You run a bigger risk. All right, y'all, over and out. Friday, man. All right, so this is my new addition to the family. You can see it's a 34-inch fabricated deck. See? Yeah, so it ain't the little flimsy one at Home Depot, so I can appreciate that. Let's see. 724 cc 22.0 whatnot. So yeah, go on and break it on in, man, with its first cut. So just had it topped off with oil. Got the fuel tank filled up. So yeah, this, I ain't gonna lie to you, I may leave it on here, man, for safety, but yeah, so this discharge guard, I think I may take it off once I get to the house or what have you. But anyway, yeah, man, new addition to the family right here. Finna go and break it in, like I say, for its first cut. And shoot, and that's what it do. Let y'all know how it go. Boy, about a gallon of sweat, easy. Easy. Sweat. That's not all of it. Still not all of it. Not all of it. Still got this on. Still got this. A little better. All right. Whew. It's sweating. Damn, man, you gonna get in that truck soaking wet? Got a bag. There we go. AC on. Got this bag to protect me. Everything good. Alright, let's ride. Alright. Had to stop what I was doing. I was just passing through and noticed my neighbor 6631 tree had come down. It's in, as you can see, it's blocking the middle of the road. So it's August 1st, 2024. And I want to keep up the maintenance, and I see what happened here. Let's get close, up and close. Oh wow. It actually broke, so it was dead. So guys, you got to be mindful of these trees. You got to check on these trees in your yard. They may look healthy, but the ants that ate out is hollow in the middle. Let's go over here. Yes, definitely, as you can see. So yeah, let me get this out of the street. Thank God most of the neighbors aren't home yet, so I'm finna remove it right now as we speak. Yep, another neighbor's tree broke and fell. Won't be the last one.
You can turn it around.
Oh, okay, yeah. What's going on, guys? I'm here live, as you can see, Chrysler Dodge Ram Jeep out here in Stonecrest, Georgia, man. Many of y'all see Black Magic, man. We're gonna have to say farewell to Black Magic, you know what I mean? You know, low mileage on it. You know, it just came up on that 3-year mark, man, and that's been the pattern of lately. You know, the 1500, 3 years, it's gone. 2500, 3 years, is gone. And we've gone from 1500, 2500 to 35. As y'all can see, you got the lamps. Yeah, dually truck, let them see. Oh yeah. So nothing too fancy, but fancy, you know what I mean? So big shout out, Happy New Year's 2025. In fact, we still in 2024. So we got 3 more weeks, 3 more weeks left of December. And big shout out to Eric, man. Eric came through, man. I came out here to holler at Travell, but then Eric came through. So big shout out to Eric, man. Say hello, Eric, man. Say hello.
Nice to meet y'all. I'm Eric over here at Courtesy.
Hey, good looking, man. Good looking.
I appreciate this man so much. He beat me up on the price because we give out discounts out here. But at the end of the day, it's great seeing him in this new 3500. It was a blessing, man. Thank you.
No doubt, no doubt. Appreciate it.
Thank you. Thank you.
Good luck in the future, man. No doubt, no doubt. And this one sit up higher, but this one just happened to be stronger, you know what I mean? So 1500, 2500, you know, big boy truck and grown man. So yeah, now this grown man too, man. All of them grown man. 1500, 2500. Man, we out here live in Stonecrest, man. Somebody can't get no better, you know what I mean? Hey, over and out. Little paper tag shouting, man. Oh yeah. So I just put my old hitch back on it. Like I say, man, y'all see them hips on it. Them hips. Now notice now. It's upside down, but that's a round, baby. Shout out to the A-Reeds, man. Shout out to the A-Reeds Rams. Shout out to Arabian Mountain Rams High School. And oh yeah, y'all see that badge. And so oh yeah, you got the turbo diesel. And then again, another round sign. You like this one right here? You see another one you like? Cause see, this one got a ram on it, kind of like Arabian Mountains Ram Nation right on the wheels or whatnot. And then it even has this turbo diesel, heavy duty 3500. So yeah, we'll see what happens, y'all. Getting it sprayed down. Getting it sprayed down. Better X spray liner. You good? You say I can fit that in there though? Yeah. All right, cool. Yeah, man, this is quick right here. I thought, cause they had told me 5 hours. What? Yeah, you could just lay it down back there. Yeah, they told me 5 hours. I mean, but I think they wanted me to just drop it off with them, and then somebody was gonna pick it up.
Yeah, see, I was up there this morning.
Oh, okay.
And I was waiting because, you know, they called my boss and said, oh, the truck.
Clean out the garage, and this is how much space I have right here before I hit the door. Now, I'm gonna change these garage doors out. I mean, nice and dusty. I just did a little cleaning, and as you can see, boom, big old hips. Thought y'all thought she wouldn't be able to fit in here? She can fit in the garage. Wifey car fits in the garage. See all this space in between? Look at it. See how nice and neat this is right here? Still got a few items right here. That's my wet vac right there in the corner. Got those hanging up on the wall. As you can see, when she pull in, she need to get the groceries. Enough space to be able to walk through, fit right on in. She hit the button. And in fact, this is how this go. Where's the button? Hit this right here. There you go. Just like that. There you have it. Shut the garage down. Got more than enough space to open up, get out on the driver's side. Right. So, open up the door. See how wide you can open it up? More than enough space to get in. Same thing with the driver. Same thing with the trunk here. All the space in between. You can fully open up these doors right here. Look at that. Wide open. Don't even have to touch my truck. Wide open. Don't even have to touch the truck. New truck smell. Same thing here. Door wide open. See that? Open it wide open. Shuts itself. All right, that's my time. Yes, sir. Back at it. Early bird get the worm. Early bird get the worm. So I'm gonna wrap things up. Get the last 2 pallets. So actually things worked out. You know, cause I was gonna try and put one on that trailer. That trailer definitely wasn't cut out for it. But we'll see exactly how much. Hold tight. I want to see it drop. See how much it dropped. That's 1 ton. We got 1 ton. All right, 2 ton. I want to say each pallet is like 1 ton. So see what happens. See what it do. Put this doggone 3500 doggone dually to the test. Woo! That bitch just dropped. You saw it? Woo! Alright, we finna work it, but yeah, it just dropped. No, you good? Let me see. Hold on. So yeah, it just dropped. Oh yeah. Okay guys, we are back at it. And I just seen the last gentleman leave. He had the old school Ram, and he was able to fit 1 pallet in, and I got to tell you, boy, that thing, it dropped. It dropped. I'm finna see what this one do. Watch it drop. Not so bad. Not so bad. Not bad. All right. Over and out, guys. Hey guys, it barely budged. Put that truck to work, man. You gotta put that truck to work. Yes, sir. Shadow all in the way. Shadow. Those my work gloves right there. Still got a little decent wipe down on here too. Right here working. Good for her. Where's my hard hat? There's my hard hat, man. Oh yeah. Now notice up here, this a different grass type. So down at the lower end, the one I just scrubbed is the fescue. Got a lot of weeds in it too. I mean, compared to up here anyway. This is the one I just laid like 3-4 months ago. So this like emerald zoysia. So as you can see, the thicker it get, just the signs of it being more healthy. So I'm gonna let it fill in. And by the time I cut it, it'll look like a rug. And then notice I got it over here with the shed too. So sure, y'all be sure to check out 2025 spring cleanup, spring cleaning on YouTube. 2025 spring cleaning. So I'm just trying to clean up. So yeah, as you can see, like right here, it can. I've been driving on it, man. I ain't gonna lie. When I come out of the garage, I hit the curb sometimes. That's why I had these rocks right here. So when I come up the driveway, I don't ride on it. So down here, you know, it's a huge difference. But once I come out of the garage and make that turn, sometimes I hit that. Or sometimes I turn over here. Man, I got that long dually truck. I'll figure it out. Oh yeah, guys, we done with the cleanup, man. Back out here with my man's truck. My man's truck is nice and clean out here, even in the dirt parking lot. It's nice and sandy. But that don't stop my man's truck for being super cool and clean, man. Oh yeah. Over and out, guys. Oh yeah.